Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and good. Yes, children. Today we are going to see the next lesson, that is lesson number 4. Okay, children. So before that, I am going to ask few questions. That is, how many of them like to live? Yes, everyone like to live. Is it, children? Yes. Not only human beings, all living beings like to live. So if you want to live, we should do something for that. Is it? Simply we cannot stay like that. Is it? So there is an important thing or essential thing is needed for all living beings. Can you guess what is that? Can you guess? Yes, it may be food or air or water. Yes, water is an important role that live for us. Is it, children? Yes. Let's see in this lesson how water is useful, and the most important thing we are going to see in this lesson, how water is formed. That is importance of water. In this lesson we are going to see importance of water, sources of water, and then forms of water. So importance of water. So without water we cannot live, not only human beings, for all the living beings. Next one, sources of water. The main sources of water is rain. Okay, so and also ponds, lakes and river. Okay, next one is forms of water. There are 3 forms of water. One is solid, liquid and gas. So liquid means it is no it is a juice, like a juice or water. So that is called liquid. So it does not have the shape. Solid, it have the shape like pencil, marker or pencil, ball, pen, like that. Next one is a gas. Gas is a air. So it is a mixture of gas. Air is a mixture of gas. Now let's see the lesson in detail, children. Today's our topic, water. Lesson 4, water. First we are going to see about importance of water. All living things like human beings, plants and animals need water to survive. So all plants and animals need water. So without water we cannot live. About 70% of the human body is made up of water. So about 70% of the human body is made up of water. So water is very important for human body. So just to see the picture. So 70% we need water for human body. Next one, about 71% of earth is covered with water. So water covers 3/4 of the earth's surface. Okay. So water is necessary not only for drinking but also for our day-to-day life purpose. Okay. So day-to-day life purpose, it is very important. Water is very important. Not only for drinking, so day-to-day life is also we need water. We cannot imagine a life without water. Just you imagine, without water we can live? No. So we cannot imagine a life without water. Even our body contains large quantity of water. So there can be no life without water. So all living beings like plants and animals or human beings also need water to survive. Next one is about sources of water. The biggest and main natural sources of water on earth is rain. So the main natural source of water is rain. So other natural source of water are pond, lake, river, sea and ocean. So next one is about uses of water. Why we need water? For drinking water, for drinking purpose we need water, for bathing, cleaning cloth or dishes, washing hands, watering garden, for cooking, for swimming. So for this purpose we need water. Children, have you ever been to a hill station during winters and seen the snowfall? Is the snowfall a small white cotton like flakes? Trees, roofs of the houses and the hills that covers with snow, a white sheet seems to cover everything. It is a beautiful sight indeed, is it? So the snowfall a small white cotton like flakes.
Here, snow is a major natural source of water. In winter, there is normally heavy snowfall on the mountains. So, during summer, a part of the snow melts and changes into water. So, this water flows down the mountain into rivers and lakes. So, here, snow is the major natural source of the water. So, in summer, okay, so a part of the snow melt and changes into water. So the snow melt and it changes into the water. So this water flows down the mountain, it comes into river and lakes. The water is tasteless and colorless, so it is also known as universal solvent. So water, they don't have any taste and also they don't have any color, it is transparent. Okay, so it is called as universal solvent. So it exists in nature in three states. So one is about solid, second liquid, and gases. Water is found in three forms, that is ice, water, and water vapor. These forms are called states of water or forms of water, which are solid, liquid, and gas. In the form of solid form, water is found as ice and snow on high mountain. Children, what will happen when we put some water in an ice tray and kept it in the freezer? Yes, after some time the water will change into ice. The process in which water changes into ice on cooling is called freezing. So children, what is freezing? The process in which water changes into ice. The water changes into ice on cooling. With the help of cooling, the water changes into ice is called freezing. Now you leave the ice tray outside for some times. So now the ice converted into water. How? Let me see. The outside warm air changes the ice into water. So this is the liquid form of the water. So ice is converted, changes into water. So that form is called liquid form. This process in which ice changes into water is called melting. So ice changes about liquid. Now we are going to see about water vapor, that is gas. If we heat water in a kettle, then after some time the water will start boiling, is it? So we can even see steam or water vapor coming out from the spout. Water vapor is the gas form of water. The process in which water changes into water vapor with the help of heating or boiling is called evaporation. Water has three forms. One is ice, that is solid form. Second one water, that is liquid form. Third one steam, that is gaseous form or water vapor. Okay. Now let's see the example for solid. So anything that has a fixed shape, size and cannot flow is called a solid. For example, here lemon, so stick or sugar, pen, pencil. So this all called, they have the fixed shape. So it is called solid. Next one is liquid. Anything that does not have a fixed shape, can pour easily and can flow is a liquid. So that is called liquid. Just you pour a glass of water into a bowl, it will take on the shape of the bowl. So liquid do not have a fixed shape. So next one is a gas. So water vapor is a gas. So gas fill all available space. It will be filled in upward or downward or inside. Okay, so water vapor is a gas. It does not have any shape. Air is a mixture of gases. After that, we learn about importance of water, sources of water, uses of water, and also forms of water. So the three forms of water, one is solid, liquid, and gas. Now let's do the exercise part. First one, choose the correct option. First one, which of these have a fixed shape? So which ones have the fixed shape? Solid, liquid, or gases? Solids. Which of these can flow? Water. Which of these can spread out and fill space? air. Which of these is not in the gaseous form? Yes, steam. Which of these mix well with water, salt, oil, or soil? Yes, salt. Next, letter, fill in the blanks. First one, when water is cooled, it dash, freeze. Second one, ice dash to form water, ice melt to form water. Third one, when water is heated, it changes into water vapor. When water is heated, it changes into water vapor. Plants and animals can live in water because air mixed with water. So plant and animals can live in water because air mixed with water. When water vapor meets cold air, it forms droplets. When water vapor meets cold air, it forms droplets. Dear children, now take your classwork note, fill the index page and take the new page. In first line, you write lesson 4 water. Leave 2 lines and then you put Roman letter 1 new words. And then you start write neatly, children. Roman letter 1 new words. First one, freeze. F-R-E-E-Z-E-S, freeze. Second one, solid. S-O-L-I-D, solid. Third one, heat. H-E-A-T, heat. Next one, melt. M-E-L-T, melt. Gaseous. G-A-S-E-O-U-S, gaseous. Sixth one, steam. S-T-E-A-M, steam. Seventh one, colorless. C-O-L-O-U-R-L-E-S-S, colorless. Eighth one, shape. S-H-A-P-E, shape. Ninth one, liquid. L-I-Q-U-I-D, liquid. Last one, water vapor. W-A-T-E-R, water vapor. V-A-P-O-U-R, water vapor. Roman letter match the following. First one, water vapor. Water vapor, it is colorless. Second one, solid. So example, ice cube. Third one, gas, that is water vapor. Fourth one, liquid, that is juice. Next, Roman letter, fill in the blanks. The 3 forms of water are solid, liquid and gas. Second one, water vapor is the dash form of water, gaseous form of water. Third one, ice is the dash form of water. Yes, it is solid form of water. Fourth one, dash have a fixed shape. Solid have a fixed shape. Fifth one, the process in which ice changes into water is called melting. Next, Roman letter, answer the following. First one, what is the gaseous form of water? Yes, water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Second question, what makes ice melt? What makes ice melt? The answer is heat makes the ice melt. Heat makes the ice melt. Third one, how does water vapor changes into water in nature? Answer, when water vapor meets cold air and cools into water. When water vapor meets cold air and cools into water. Fourth question, what are clouds? Water vapor rises, meets cold air and changes into water droplets of water called clouds. Water vapor rises, meets cold air and changes into water droplets of water called clouds. Fifth question, why do we not see water vapor? We do not see the water vapor because it is colorless. Sixth question, write the difference between solid and liquid. First point, it does not flow. Solid does not flow. Liquid, so it can flow. Second point, it has a fixed shape. Example, ice cube, ball. Liquid does not have a fixed shape. It does not have a fixed shape. Example, water, juice. Seventh question, write one difference between liquids and gases. Liquid is visible whereas gas is not visible. Eighth one, name the sources of water. The sources of water are rain, oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, wells and tap. These are the sources of water. Dear children, learn all the exercises and also you write neatly in the classwork note. Thank you children.